In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for agencies. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start from the Asana home screen and spin up a structured agency project using templates or Asana's built-in AI. Start on the Asana homepage. This is your command center where you can see recent work and quickly jump into teams and projects. From here, head over to your team area in the left sidebar. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the edge to expand it. The team section is where your agency groups live, so make sure you're inside the correct team where this new project should sit. Next, hover over My Workspace in the sidebar. This reveals quick actions and creation options so you can move faster without digging through menus. When the option appears, click Create Project. This opens Asana's project creation flow. You'll first see template categories you can browse. Marketing is perfect if you're managing campaigns, content calendars, or creative production. These templates come preloaded with tasks, sections, and fields that reflect common marketing workflows. Operations and PMO is great for resourcing, intake, and repeatable project execution. If your agency runs standardized engagements, these templates help you establish consistency. Productivity focuses on lightweight personal or team planning. It's useful when you want something simple and fast to maintain. If you want Asana to do the heavy lifting, click Create with AI at the top. This option generates a project based on your prompt, automatically building sections, tasks, and structure tailored to what you describe. In the prompt box, type in Create Agencies. That's the phrase we're using for this walkthrough. Press Enter to submit your request. Now wait for it to load. Asana's AI will assemble your project, which may take a moment depending on the detail it's constructing. When it's ready, click Go to Project. This takes you directly into the newly created workspace for your agency initiative. At this point, you're inside your project with a foundational structure in place. The power of starting from templates or AI is that you avoid a blank page and jump straight into execution. Use what's been generated as a starting framework for your agency's clients, services, or internal operations, keeping the parts that work and simplifying what you don't need. That's it. Beginning from home, moving through your team, creating a project, exploring categories, using Create with AI, providing a prompt, and then opening your new project. You're ready to get your agency organized in Asana.